Investing in Gimbal Lens Protector is therefore not just an accessory purchase, it is a mandatory for your drone's most vital hardware. Here we explore 3 gimbal lens protectors for DJI Neo 2.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Fijastb Gimbal Lens Protector. The Fijastb Gimbal Lens Protector is representative of a design that offers a comprehensive physical shield for the entire gimbal and camera unit. The cover is made from safe PE material that is both shockproof and waterproof, keeping your device well protected. It's thoughtfully crafted to deliver a seamless user experience. Installation is simple and won't cause any damage to your device. The Fijastb type covers are generally favored for their snug fit, ensuring that the gimbal remains perfectly centered and protected from all angles. However, it is paramount that users remember to remove this type of protector before powering on the drone, as the drone's self-check will attempt to rotate the gimbal, leading to an error or potential motor damage if the cover is still in place. On number 2, we have Generic Lens Cover. The common generic lens cover focuses on the most basic but necessary level of protection. These are often small, simple plastic or silicone caps that fit snugly over the camera lens itself, sometimes extending just enough to cover the sensor housing. This protective bumper is designed specifically for the Neo 2 drone gimbal, closely matching the shape of the camera body on both sides to distribute force evenly and guard against impacts. A 2mm raised edge on the front helps the bumper absorb the first point of impact, offering reliable protection for the lens against bumps and minor collisions. Made from a custom high-toughness material, it is lightweight yet strong and highly impact-resistant. Weighing just 5.1 grams, it won't affect the drone's flight or battery performance. Simply align the arrow forward for installation. Its one-step design makes attaching and removing it quick and effortless. On number 3, we have Generic Gimbal Protective Bar. The Generic Gimbal Protective Bar, sometimes referred to as a gimbal bumper or collision bar, represents a more niche approach to protection. Unlike the covers, this accessory is designed to be installed on the drone and sometimes remains on during flight, though not usually for the Neo 2. For models that offer this type of bar, it typically provides a physical buffer zone or cage structure around the camera unit. For the Neo 2, these are typically bumpers that physically brace the gimbal during storage. Their main function is to absorb impact from accidental drops or collisions during setup and packing, preventing the force from reaching the camera lens or gimbal components directly. This type of protection is less about dust prevention and more about mitigating catastrophic damage, making it a rugged choice for pilots who frequently fly or operate in challenging, obstacle-rich environments. The trade-off for this enhanced impact resistance is often a bulkier profile that may require more careful packing. So these are some of the best protectors to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.